Okay, so I multiplied everything by 2. Now I'm going to do a little, what's n times n minus 1? When I expand that out.
N squared minus n.
N squared minus n. Minus, well, you know what, because I have an n minus 2 over there, maybe I can...
Can you cancel?
Well, actually, let's just multiply this out. Minus, what's n minus 1 times n minus 2, do you know?
It's n, is it n squared?
N squared.
Minus 2n.
N squared minus 2n, very good.
And then minus
n. And then minus 1 times minus 2?
It's just 2.
Plus 2 equals 8n minus 16. See that?
Cool.
So I have 2nx plus n squared minus n squared plus 2n. Oh, actually, sorry, that becomes a minus 3n.
Yeah.
So I'll just combine that. So plus 3n, because that minus sign hits those. Minus 2, see that?
Yeah.
Equals 8n minus 16. This seems pretty complicated, but some stuff happens. What happens to these n squareds?
They subtract each other out.
They subtract each other out. I have a minus n and a plus 3n. What does that become?
So you have a plus 2n.
Plus 2n. So plus 2n minus 2 equals 8n minus 16. Now let me move...
Wait.
Oh, wait. Now let me move this to the other side. So
What about dividing? We could divide by 2.
Could divide by 2. You want to do that?
Yeah. Sure.
nx plus n minus 1 equals 4n minus 8.
And
now I'm going to have to go back up to the top. Sorry about
Yeah.
that. Hopefully we didn't make any mistakes. Okay. I can move this n to the other side, and I can move that 1 to the other side. N times x equals 3n
And then minus 7.
minus 7. Okay. So I have to figure out how to solve this equation. Remember, x is
the lowest.
lowest number we start with. N is the number of people. Okay?
Yep.
Well, I'm going to rearrange this to make it a little easier. I'm going to plus 7 to both sides. I'm going to subtract this nx away. Equals 3n minus nx. 7 equals n times 3 minus x. Okay? So I have integers here, right?
Yeah.
These are integers.
This
And in fact, they're positive integers, right?
Yeah.
What do you know about the number 7? How can I split 7 up into the product of 2 positive integers?
Well, it's prime. So 1 and 7 is the only way.
1 and 7 is the only way. This equation only has one solution in positive integers.
Wow.
7 times 1. What's going to be 7? What has to be 7 here?
Well, the n has to be 7, because then if this is 7, then you get negatives.
Right. What does x have to be?
X has to be 1. Because you have 7 times 1.
I have 7 times 1, but 3 minus x is what has to be 1. So what does x have to be?
X has to be 2.
2. So the only way this works is if I have 7 people.
And then
X, remember, x is 2. That's the lowest.
So 2,
Starting
3,
point.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should end up, when we're done, with 4 times the number.
Should we try it?
Should we try it?
yeah, let's
All
try
right,
it.
let's try it.